For drivers coming from Fort Bend County, the fastest route to the Texas Medical Center and downtown Houston is via the Sam Houston Tollway to State Highway 288, also known as Texas 288. Thanks to the recent expansion of Texas 288, the interchange with the Sam Houston Tollway is now much easier to navigate. What makes the difference? Long, elevated ramps now connect the two highways, keeping traffic moving smoothly and preventing bottlenecks. For the most part, this route is straightforward. But there's one catch. When entering Texas 288, the on-ramp is shared between the toll lane and the free main lanes. If you're not careful, you could end up in the 288 express toll lane, where the next exit isn't until I-610. That means an unplanned toll charge and an unnecessary detour if you intended to exit before I-610. To avoid this, you'll need to merge deliberately into the free main lanes. Although any driver traveling eastbound on the South Sam Houston Tollway can benefit from this route, it is especially useful for those coming from Missouri City, Quail Valley, Sienna, Arcola, and South Post Oak. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the Sam Houston Tollway Texas 288 interchange with confidence, making your drive as smooth as possible to the Texas Medical Center and downtown Houston. Let's get started. First things first, continue eastbound on Sam Houston Tollway. After passing Almeda Road, take note of the easy tag-only signs. As you approach the toll plaza, position yourself in one of the 4 lanes, preferably the right 2 lanes. After passing through the toll plaza, you'll see signs for 288 north to downtown, 288 south to Lake Jackson. Begin positioning yourself in the 2nd or 3rd lane from the right. Avoid the 1st lane, as it exits onto the frontage road. After passing the frontage road exit, move into either the 1st or 2nd lane from the right. As you enter the interchange, make sure to be in the left lane. Otherwise, you might end up on a surprise trip to Lake Jackson. Hint: look for the downtown sign. So far, so good, but now comes the trickiest part. As you complete the interchange, you'll see a sign for 288 Express Toll Lane and Texas 288 North. Move into the right lane as soon as it becomes available to smoothly merge onto the freeway. Something this car realized at the last moment. Don't be that guy. At this point, simply merge onto the main lanes. Congratulations! You've successfully entered Texas 288 northbound. Now, Pierce Junction, the Texas Medical Center, Herman Park, the Houston Zoo, the Museum District, 3rd Ward, and downtown Houston await you.